Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. ¿Qué tal conta bien? Ana Yuka Mainariaban. Ariom. Hello everyone. I'm Yuka from Japan. 皆さんこんにちは、Yuka です。
Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? And welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be the last lesson for Hiragana, and I will teach you guys these 3 letters first. And also we have some small letters like this. It's just 4 of them, and I will explain you guys a little bit about these small letters. And we also have some like marks, like this small circle or like these like dashes. You probably see them on the top right of letters. And the last one will be this one. It's just a line, but for the pronunciation. So alright, let's get it started. Alright, so the first one is wa. Okay, and we start from this line. 1, start 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. And the second one is wo. Okay, we start from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this one is, for the pronunciation, you might feel a little bit complicated, but we just say okay, and we start from here. 1, 1. Good. And here I've got 4 small letters compared to the original size. For example, like this one, do you remember what letter it is? Yeah, this one is 2, and the size is like a half of them. And so this one is the original size of 2, and this one you can say small 2. Okay, and this one, yeah, this letter is ya, and this one is a small ya. This one, you, sorry, small u, and this one is yo, and the last one will be the small yo. So when you have these small letters, the pronunciation will be always connected with the letter 1 before. So let's focus on each of them. So the first one is, well, so this one was the original one. We say 2, and that's the small letter of 2, yeah. And for the pronunciation, I've just got like 2 examples. The first one is a, sa, small 2, te. We say asatte, asatte. Okay, and then the second one, ki, small 2, sa, te, kissaten, kissaten. So as you can see, like we don't actually pronounce this small 2 as a 2. But what we do, it's like, for example, like if I say this letter without small 2, that's gonna be asate, asate, yeah. But by adding this small 2, you can put the stress on the letter 1 before. So instead of saying a, sa, te without like small 2, we say asatte, asatte. So you feel some stress on this letter, right? And here as well, if I don't say the small tsu, that's gonna be ki-sa-ten, kisaten, yeah? But if I put like this tsu, you'll hear the stress on this letter, and then that's gonna be kisaten, kisaten. And one of the things I can probably say is that how you pronounce this one, like with a small tsu, that's gonna be like, it's kind of like you suddenly stop saying something. You know what I mean? Hope that like makes sense. But asatte, so you kind of like suddenly stop. Asatte and kisaten. And yeah, for the pronunciation, like for the writing, we just like put double T or like double S, so we make the double. But I'm not sure if that's like makes sense for you. And so yeah, just one thing, very very important things is that you can put a stress on the letter one before. Asatte, kisaten. Okay, and asatte means asatte. Oh yes, that's the day after tomorrow. And then kisaten, that's gonna be it's cafe. Kisaten, cafe. And asatte, that's the day after tomorrow. Alright, so for the second one, so that's the original one of the letter ya, right? Ya. And that's the small letter of ya, small ya. Okay, and here, so this one is she, small ya, she. We say shashin, shashin. Okay, and then the second one we have o, ki, small ya, ku, san, お客さん お客さん yeah, and what's happening here, so for example the first one, this one is she, right? And then we have small ya, and let's have a look this like English alphabet here. We have so S plus like YA, yeah. So what's happening? Yes, just focus on the first the letter one before. This pronunciation is si, but you just remove the vowels of the letter one before. Do you know what I mean? So instead of like saying si ya, you just remove this part, and you have like this S and Y A. So we say sha, sha. Okay, and the same here. So this letter we say ki, right? But we don't pronounce this vowels. So we have like this K plus YA, and that's make the sound of ka, ka. Okay, so the shashin means photo, and okyaku-san means customer. Okay, so the next one is this small, so this one is you, right? And then this one is small u. Okay, and but this one is actually same as the one before. So like yeah, for example, we say this one is ki, small u, ri, kyuri, kyuri. So the second one here is shi, small u, ku, da, I, shukudai, shukudai. So yeah, what we do, we remove the vowels of the letter one before. so we remove this I. We don't pronounce this one. So we've got this consonant K and YU. U. So we say Q, cutie, cutie. And this one here is the same. So we remove the consonant, and we've got like S and YU. So we say shukudai, shukudai. And don't worry about this one, I will explain it to you like later on. So yeah, so cutie means cucumber, and shukudai means homework. And here's the last one for the small letters. So for this one we have yo, yo, right? And then this one is a small yo. Okay. And here is examples. We got this one ki, small yo, ku, and the same as like before. We just remove this I sound from ki. Oop. Yeah, and we've got just K and yo, so we say kyoku, kyoku. Okay, and then for the next one, we say to, shi, small yo, ka, toshokan, toshokan. Same as here, we remove the vowels here, and we just go like S and YO, we say sho, sho. So that's toshokan, toshokan. And kyoku means song. Yeah, kyoku means song, and toshokan means library. And now we are going to learn these 3 marks. Alright, so again, do you remember how you can read these 5 letters? Yeah, so this one, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Okay, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Alright, so this small circle can be with only these 5 letters. Okay, but not others. Only these 5 letters can be with this small circle. And this one will come to the top right like this. Okay? And for the next one here, it's the same, always top right of the letter. Right, so here's the letters with the small circle. And as I said, this small circle always comes on the top right, like here. Yeah. So again, we say ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho, with H sound. And then when you have this small circle, that's gonna be pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po, with a P sound. And with these dashes, it's not as simple as this small circle, because we actually have like more letters with these dashes. Okay, so the first 5 is gonna be like this. So we have ka, ki, ku, ke, ko with K sound. And when you have like dashes like this, K sound will be like G sound. And we say ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And the next one will be like this. So we have sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Right? And then so when you put the dashes like this, that's gonna be za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. So consonant S will be Z. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. And here we've got ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. And with dashes, that can make the sound like da, ji, zu, de, do. Da, ji, zu, de, do. So T sound will be D sound. Alright, and these 5 is gonna be the last one with dashes. And so yeah, here again that's ha, hi, hu, he, ho, ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Yeah, and then when you have dashes, that's gonna be with B sound. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And just for the Arabic speakers, I know like you guys have like this letter, and then you also like don't have the difference between B sound and P sound. So like these two will be like a little bit difficult for you guys. So just let's like practice. So this one again, we say ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Okay, and then with this one, with P sound, pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Right? Alright, and yeah, with this one, this mark, I've just found out that we don't really use this one in like Hiragana, and but we use it like in like with katakana. So I will just like explain it to you like very quickly. It's just for the pronunciation. Like for example, let's just say like with a hiragana, like so we have like a, right? And if you put like this one like this one here, if you put like this, so this letter, yeah, we pronounce like a, right? A. But this one can make this sound like longer. So how we say ah. So this one itself, it's gonna be a, but with this one, ah, ah. Okay, so yeah, as I said, like this one can make the sound of the letter one before longer. Okay, so that's how it works with this one. But as I said, like we don't really use it in like in hiragana, but we use it with katakana. Okay, so that's everything for today, and I hope I didn't make you confused with the letters that we learned today. And if you have any question, just write the comment below, and we'll see you in my next video. شكرا لكم على المتابعة. مع السلامة.